Okay, so I just finished installing these boat trailer steps. Now, the main reason I was looking for trailer steps is due to the fact that when we launched the boat, I backed the truck down the ramp and then about halfway into the water, and then the wife and I switch. And, you know, I get out, climb over the spare tire, climb into the boat, and get her launched. So anyhow, of course, I'm not getting any younger, and that's getting more difficult. So I actually had a company reach out to me, Alpar, and offer me a set of steps for a feature video. So they actually offer many, many kinds. The one I chose, you know, everybody's boat's different, everybody's trailer's different, but the one I chose, I of course have a very short swing tongue, and this one can fit at a 45-degree angle, which then still gives me access to my winch handle. So, you know, I'll put a link to this one below, but there's, you know, they have many, many different varieties. You can get the type that mount to your frame rail. If you have a different type of boat, you can also get, you know, a two-step or something like that. This actually has a 33-inch rise from this plane to the top step. So, you know, this is a Regal 2300, plenty of room here to get into the boat. So I will put the camera on the stand here and back up and kind of show you how well this thing works. Okay, so just a couple quick comments. Yeah, you can see I get right up and into the boat. Now, as for my size, I'm about 6'4" and right at about 200 pounds. So this thing is very solid, and it does come with this 3-foot handle extension, which makes it very nice. And you'll kind of see me bounce here. Yeah, it's very sturdy. When I get down here, I was curious, hey, with my short swing tongue, could I actually still drop the tailgate? And you'll see that I'm able to do that. And with the boat right behind the truck, I do have plenty of room. Okay, so hopefully you saw there that I think these are going to make life much easier down at the lake. So again, I'll put the link for this particular one down below, but there are many different varieties you can choose from if you are in the market for some steps. Thanks for watching.